Okay, I'm starting the session now. Hi guys, good evening. This is my first session on this trading platform um, overall actually. So bear with me. I'm not a professional trader like most of the people here, but I'm trying to learn from our group and trying to practice few things actually. So here actually since a week's time, just trying something some some strategy actually, like which seems to be working. But again, it's just it's just my observation actually. Maybe so many professional traders already using this, maybe better than this. But this is just an observation, and we can improve this. Um, uh, but this is just my observation, and I would like to share with you all. Um, Hello. Okay. Okay then. So this is simple setup that I made on my kite system. There are the kite system. I use kite because it's easy to log in various uh, locations from office and all. Um, just I will show it on crude because that as of the stock hour, and I will show how I traded the last week, little few things, and how I traded some major options based on this. And again, this is not a perfect system, just like any other system, and there will be failures definitely. So we have to think about the stop losses and all, and success rate I'm not sure yet, back testing I'm not done yet. So I'm just sharing my thoughts here, and you all can give your opinion on it. And this is a crude um, 5 minute chart. And the setup is pretty simple, and I place two moving averages actually. Definitely it's true that on price action we trade on next chart without any indicators and all. It's true. Here also we didn't use any indicators at all. We place moving average. It's not an exponential moving average, just a simple moving average, which is here simple moving average of 50. This red color given is the 50, and the simple moving average of 20. I will tell you why I chosen these two. Why I have chosen these two, you can see. If I zoom out, you can see based on this why I have chosen these two. Like forget about this black one for now. Forget about it. Um, so these two lines are telling something based on something about the movements, like about to come movements. You can see about to make movements here. So I really don't know how MACD indicator works, but I read something from these two lines actually, like above red line above means like MA, big MA on top is always downtrend, and small MA on top is kind of uptrend. Means I really can't say uptrend or downtrend. I can say we can go long and go short trend because this is strictly in intraday system. For example, on a 5 minute chart, you can see a short, but same setup on a 1 day chart or 2 hour chart, like a 1 hour chart, it may be a, like uptrend, like we may go long because we trade on small movements in intraday. So definitely on a 1 day chart, it may be showing as uptrend because of the candle setup for compared to a 5 minute movement to an 1 day movement. So and we would like to trade on intraday actually. So this is mainly transit mainly for the intraday. So here on this setup, that's all. That is the only setup. Only two MAs. Mainly this MA we trade. I took these two MAs just to identify the where the movement may go. It's a may go. It will go definitely not. May go. Like for example, here currently you clearly can say by seeing this chart, like whenever there is a blue line is on top and red line is below of the blue line, it's kind of moving upside. And similarly on opposite side, when red line is on top and blue line is on down the blue line, it's kind of down. So here I can say the red line is the based on the red line, I will take the side, which side to take. And just highlighted here. When the red line, when the candles are below the red line or blue line, I can say, but as of now, take it as a red line, 50 SMA. It's kind of shorts, like it's pushing down. The candles are below the red line, means the market is pushing down, means it's kind of pushing down. The line is pushing down, means shorts. And similarly, when the red line is on upside, sorry, on the downside, you can see the market is pushing upside, like here, this part. Okay, and the blue line, I will come to blue line, but at high level, I can say the side, which side to take, either a short side or long side based on the red line. Okay, like suppose if I'm here today, I will take because it's on pushing upside, and if we are here, it's pushing downside. So I will take the side of the market, whether to go long or to go short at that particular moment based on the image 50. And of course, that is not the only thing. Next step is when to go to the side. Suppose here market is already downside. Our next question is if the market reverses, can I go short here itself? Or if the market is reverses immediately so that I can go long? These are the two questions making. So when the market is here, okay, like around that 8 10. What I have to do? Whether I can continue to go short or I should take long because my market is already down. So these are few questions that comes here at this point. When the market is already made something. So here the picture comes actually. The MA20, the other MA20 and MA50. So here the gap between these two, currently I am studying this. It's not, the study is not yet complete, but my focus is mainly on the gap of these two. So when the market is upside and this gap is means the convergence is happening. Convergence of these two are happening means market is 10 to reverse. Market is 10 to reverse means the concept is kind of long term, all intraday basis means at that moment on that day. This is a 5 minute chart, and we are focusing or mainly focused. This setup on a single day may not work. Means it may be showing upside because that mainly on position just not intraday. But 5 minute chart mainly we are targeting intraday at that 5 minute. Okay, so here, so there is a lot of chances here because if the crossover may happen when the gap is reducing. Here I know means when this candle made high, like at around 3410. Here I know the gap is reducing and probably it may cross over and push the market down. So yesterday I had taken 3400 short here at around 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the evening here. Although the can and here definitely the lines, the black lines, the horizontal lines, support and resistance also will give us some idea like whether to go or not. Okay, it gives some opportunities as well for me. Suppose, for example, here I shared around 4 o'clock, I taken short here because the crossover already happened here. Okay, and but the candle is like it made some high of 3405 or somewhere. But still, I can do short here because I'm pretty much confident when the because the gap is reducing, it will definitely cross over. Again, it's just a probability it may cross over. You can see there are few places it came closer to crossover and again reverse. It may happen. So we definitely target as per our risk reward, definitely exit with some 10 points. Okay. Suppose we are targeting minimum 20 points, we may exit with 5 points or 10 points if the market is not in the direction. Okay, so when this gap is about to reduce, even I am okay to take shots here because the gap is market is already made upfront here, and the gap between these two MAs are reducing. So I'm pretty sure on my strategy, like if I follow my strategy discipline here, I will short. If it reverses, I'm okay to book stop loss. There are cases it reversed, so I but to be disciplined on my strategy is with some stop loss. Uh, some stop loss started here. So although it makes him a little bit high, and again here we can use some price action stuff to wait for the entry, like by seeing some hanging man, some reaction and all. You can definitely take a call for the enter. But once these, you can see some breakouts here in this crossover. Definitely, it made some breakouts. It made a low of 339 here. Okay, 339 like towards the crossover. So once it crossed over, when the red line came up, the candles got pushed by this red line, and you can see the gap is increasing. The gap is keep on increasing, which allows you, which gives you a chance of making re-entry. Suppose it made a low on this red candle, like on the short, but again it made a high towards this resistance line, black line, so here I'm okay to re-entry at high, although it made a low, but again it made a high. I'm okay to make a re-entry because the gap is increasing between two ends. This the further push down that I'm expecting. And I posted yesterday some 3380 expecting where the resistance line coming, and there's 3330 also expecting. I posted two comments because the gap will keep on increasing, and there are two there are towards these lines horizontal support and resistance. So this increase in gap and these high candles, these green candles like making high, will give me chances for re-entries. Okay, and this green lines or red, these lines or the EMS support or resistance. Here I can say here it's it's rejecting EMA resistance. This one, candle rejected EMA20 resistance. So rejecting a EMA resistance or support is a kind of continuing the trend. It's rejected EMA20 support here. Although it made a crossover. This candle made means it is okay to continue this downtrend. Okay. Okay, so that's the strategy here. And here, after making some down, we started making the sideways. So you can see this gap slowly came down, and there is a lot of chances it may make a crossover to upside. This blue line, EMA20 may go up, EMA red may go down, which means it will start making highs. So we may prefer to go long. And in such cases, where it will go, here or here, either it will continue and further it will push, there are chances, or it will make a crossover, it will further reduce the gap and will make an uptrend. Okay, so in that case, what to do? Our next setup is 15 minutes. You are not sure whether it is 10 to continue this downtrend or not, shift to 15 minutes, the same setup, and see how the gap there. Is it continue, still continue the gap? It may go, it may make little bit downwards, it may go little bit, still there is a big gap here in 15-minute chart. Okay, so although it may make little bit height here, showcasing the uptrend here, but further it may go down actually. And or it may reverse the trend and it start taking the support from EMA20, and it will try to fill this gap in this 15-minute chart while making the uptrend. So gradually this will become like this. This will become like this. This will come down, and this will make a crossover showing the uptrend. Those are the chances. So, so whenever it starts taking a support of these EMAs, you can see EMA support. It's taking EMA support. RKB, I think you taken some long here yesterday at 3338, right? So based on your price action stuff. because from my understanding, it started taking EMA 20 support here in all these candles and few red and close with some green candles. So it's true that it may reverse to upside now onward. I posted two here, either long at 3445, which is not broken, or short below 333, because it's not breaking this 3335 here actually. The line is at 3339, the resistance line, and I am for 3335 to go further short, continuing this downtrend, which is not happening here actually. So most of because it started taking EMA 20 support, and again it went down actually. So for me, yesterday I posted to Nikhil asked me what will you do now? Whether to go or down. For me, it's a no trade zone. Yeah, you can make few entries for 10 or plus 10 points like Artebo did with some trailing stop loss to make like 5 to 10 points. Definitely it will give, because sideways it works actually. Uh, but to make a breakout, for me, it's a no trade zone. Although if I refer 15-minute candle as well, I'm little bit skeptical here. It may try to fill this gap because 5 minutes chart is like started taking EMA 20 support. But to confirm that, I will wait it actually. Further, it came down, but I'm still waiting for the EMA 20 support. And further, it will take EMA 50 support. And sorry, not EMA, SMA support, and will go up. Any doubts here? Harkabhai, can you speak? I'm not listening actually. Hello. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is this higher time frame, what I'm trying to explain is higher time frame of 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So here I won't make, as I said, it's a no trade zone for me because it's no move either way. So I will wait to get support of EMA 20 of this blue line of candle, and I'm pretty sure because anyway these the two are closer, more chances of crossover here, or it will continue to downtrend. So here, the benefit I will get with this is once the crossover happens on 15-minute chart, you can see very big gap. So it will try to fill this gap because similar crossover will happen here as well towards upside. So these will also go towards upside. So I'll get benefit from the early entry from the 5-minute chart. So this is the analogy I made till now, and sorry. And definitely I look into supporting the resistance as well. Like that gives me some chance. Like as I said, using crossovers will definitely make that side of movement. And anything that I would like to share from here, yeah, on Nifty, last time what I did is on Nifty also same, like once I got a confirmation of downtrend, like this, like similar situation, I will try to either definitely, because futures will have a delta of one, either we can enter similar position with the futures, or I will enter because of the capital and all, because as of now I'm trading conservatively low capital actually. So I will enter OTM calls or puts actually, like on the direction of the movement. If the market is downside, I will try to enter nearest OTM put long, or if it is upside, I will trade on nearest OTM call, so that it will become ITM. Once the next gains upside, it will come to ITM, and the price of the premium will rise. That's the only concept there. Of course, trading options is a different stuff, but definitely that's one analogy I can give. Because as the spot comes, as the strike, um, as the strike comes closer to the spot, it will become ITM. So that's kind of the I made on trading the nature options. But at the same time, we can take some triangle kind of stuff if we are not sure of the call or put decision. That's on the strategy side. We can make a separate question on that. So as of now, this is the only strategy study I'm making. Definitely, there are so many flaws in the system, in the setup, and I need to do some study on this actually, like observing making the increase, the gap, the like as of now, this is the one confirmed observation that I made is that the gap keep on increasing, the movement of downturn continues. I still confident to make increase in these down, like whenever it started making the highs, like I can short with these heights actually. Like, I would prefer to make short on these heights so that can do to different situations. Definitely wild moves. Whenever it makes wild moves, like today's fact happened. Definitely everything failed. There's no price action to make some decisions, but there's no perfect system to follow. So that's all for now from me on this session. Um, any questions? You can call me because this audio is not working. Yeah, definitely. I will make some model. We have to make because I have very less experience. So just hopefully in this week only on this strategy. And um, like observing the reversals and all based on the price action candles, we can definitely make some decisions there. Like experienced people like us about definitely can guide us on the direction. Because I'm still confused on the issue for on few entries. But definitely one way I can say like this strategy is definitely this guy strategy is giving me some guidance. Some guidance definitely it's giving, particularly on the trend change. Of course, all indicators works fine in that case. Maybe this is one of them. Just for our study purpose, and we can improve that. There are better strategies than this. And as I said, I'm just beginning. I just started my journey with this, and definitely will improve this, and we will definitely make more studies, and we'll do better than this in the future. Okay. Thanks. Thank you very much. And I recorded this session, but I'm not sure how it is. If I make gone, there's one question of using gone level along with this for target. Yeah, definitely we can use, I think, because gone levels and all definitely not only gone levels, even we can use Fibonacci also, because those are number based systems. But definitely those are also will work, I think. Uh, we can make the, suppose for example, we can make our entry number there wherever we entered, and we can definitely get the. I didn't try it, but I think definitely it will also will help us. And supportly when the trend is supporting us, we can wait just for 10 points. We need not close. We can wait for further down actually. Okay. And Excel I created. Yeah, I will share that Excel as well. Nothing, nothing like that. Yeah, definitely we can increase because this is all the number pairs actually. Don't know anything. Like we start like that 3 4 0 like 3 4 0 0. So definitely we can wait for these levels. Yeah, definitely we can try for rising tide. Yeah, I will share that. I think this is actually what looking for. I think. Okay. So that's all for now. I will try to share this video. I will post this video on YouTube, and we will do more things like this. Okay. Thanks. Thank you very much. See you soon again.